Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look real briefly, and this is going to be a brief look at Luckin Coffee. This stock absolutely got crushed today. If you're watching this video, which you are, you're probably going to be getting an email sometime soon about the 59-minute trader course and that curriculum, which helps us find stocks like this. So I won't go into detail on that. I won't actually say anything more about that. Just watch it. The bottom line, though, is this. After this had such a big, massive sell-off where it actually opened up below $5, it had a big, brutal sell-off because of allegations of fraud. And when a stock falls, like 85%, the allegations are typically true. So the stock runs up like it did. First thing in the morning, it was a monster. Then after all the guys that were connected got all the stock that they wanted, and then later got rid of all of it that they wanted to. And yeah, I do think that's how it works. The stock kind of drifted down, and then gradually throughout the end of the day, the weak hands had to sell. Guys that bought on the way up, or a lot of times bought right at the top, holding out for more, couldn't get out, and then gradually the stock just drifts down. Well, you can see that it's actually up after hours. Not a lot. Well, I guess I'd say a lot. If it closed here, where did it close? Here at 638, and right now as I do this video, it's up at 690. I'd say 8.3% is kind of a lot. I don't think this play is dead, is what I'm saying. I don't think this deal is dead. This is such a big move that this stock could be working for you on Friday morning. I know I'm going to be looking at it. I don't have a position right now, though it could very well be that by the time you see this video, I might have a position. But with all of that massive dump first thing in the morning, where all this stock got sold, how much supply is overhead? I just think it was such a big, massive rush of supply into the market that took the stock down so much. I mean, guys and ladies, the first 5 minutes of trading, 63 million shares. Where I come from, that's a lot of shares. So look for this stock to actually move up tomorrow and probably give you another good trade, okay? So anyway, that's all I got. Members, over to the strategy session. I have a lot to say about stuff.